Welcome to our channel. Today we how to access IHSS Provider Resource Center portal login step by step clearly. To access the IHSS Provider Resource Center, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the IHSS Provider Resource Center. Press the Enter key to navigate to the page. Once the page loads, look for the Login button on the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Login button to access the login page. You will see fields to enter your username and password. Type your username into the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. Double-check your entries to ensure there are no typos. Once you have verified your username and password, click the Login button. If your login is successful, you will be redirected to the main dashboard of the portal. In the event you forget your password, look for a Forgot Password link. Click on that link and follow the instructions to reset your password. You will need to enter your email address associated with your account. After submitting your email, check your inbox for the password reset instructions. Follow the instructions in the email to set a new password. Once you have logged in, explore the various resources and tools available on the portal. If you experience any issues during the login process, check for any system notifications on the homepage. Make sure your internet connection is stable to avoid any disruptions. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance. By following these steps, you will be able to access the IHSS Provider Resource Center easily. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.